Today, some amazing grilled cheese with a secret ingredient. So let's do it. The first step for this epic grilled cheese, we want some bread. I like to use a nice white farmhouse loaf, and you want to cut this into nice inch-sized slices, not too thin. Once you've done this, pop your bread to one side, and then we're going to want a bowl and a grater. And the cheese I'm using for this one is an extra mature cheddar. So grate your cheddar out into a bowl, and just to give the sandwich an extra layer of cheesiness, we're going with some pecorino romano. So grate some pecorino into the bowl with the cheddar. Give that a little mixing up with your hands, pop your cheese to one side, and then we want our slices of bread and our secret ingredient, some lovely spicy Nduja. Nduja is a spicy salami paste from Calabria, and it's going to give this grilled cheese a real amazing lift and take it to all new levels. So spread your Nduja onto one side of the bread and then pile in your cheese, pop the top on the sandwich and give it a press down. So we want to pop a frying pan on the hob, turn the heat low, chuck in a knob of butter, and just before your sandwich goes in, give it a light season with some salt and freshly ground black pepper, and then lay your sandwich into the lovely foaming butter. And the trick with perfect grilled cheese is to keep the heat low, and you want to press down on the sandwich with a spatula. We want the outside of the grilled cheese to be nice and toasty and golden brown, and the inside to be perfectly melted, gooey and cheesy. So flip it a couple of times, keep pressing it down. You might want to add a few knobs of butter as you go, just to get a really nice crust on the sandwich. Make sure you keep checking the inside. The most important thing is for that cheese to get really nice and melted and gooey. Keep flipping, and once the cheese is melted and starting to ooze out the sides, you want to get it out the pan, pop it onto a chopping board or a plate, and there we have a delicious, spicy, cheesy, gooey and delicious Nduja grilled cheese. And all that's left to do is to get stuck in. So give this one a try, and I'll see you next time.